will try to get a better editor in the future. So, remember when, I don't really know who did like Akari, Wisteria Moon, or Lilac Turtle, that just made a video about this called glitch, like in previous, what's it called? Previous whatever, I don't know. Previous den thingy, well yeah, now this is actually den, and it's cost diamonds, which sucks. This is pretty cool. You can create your own den item, but it's like a drawing. So, I read all of this, it just answered all the questions. You can actually put in your den, gift it, and trade it to other gemmers. And your masterpiece will have, your name on it, so, yeah. And this is pretty cool, but it says it costs, like, it costs 2 diamonds, and, yeah, that's kinda weird. I guess you can submit it to get, like, I don't know, something, but I'm gonna have to refresh because I really want to play and see these cool items. It's not letting me on. So I'm gonna come back in about an hour, or, yeah, and figure out what's wrong with this, or can I get on or something. Okay, so I'm back, and it didn't really take that long, but here we go. And yes, my username is Zoidex, if you did not know that already. I'm trying to make the screen like what the Eminem thing. Oh yes, here it is, we already seen this before, so what's the next thing? Oh. Octopus keep going in, so, ironic. I guess there's this new den, I don't know how much it costs, probably like 5 or 10 dollars or something like that. Oh, hats. Oh, 50% off, nice. The little piggy, the boulders are traveling now, which I don't really think anyone knows. You can pause this or go in the video and watch it yourself. I'll check that out later. 1, 2. Where do I have to click? I don't even know 1, 2. I think that's how you do it to get diamonds. Oh, it worked. Yay. I have 5 diamonds. Now let's just do this den first because I think it's probably going to cost 5 diamonds. Oh, did you see that? Did you guys just see that green that just happened? That was weird. Why am I clicking that? Look at that awesome den. Oh, it costs 7. Ooh, this is so huge. Okay, so it's like a regular bunny den and then hollow. This is like my favorite den right here. Like, oh, what? Hello. Beautiful den. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. This is literally the best den ever. But how will you know your way around? Like, am I to your friend's fancy house? Hey, find me, I am Mr. Flowers. There's flowers everywhere. On the top. This is really a nice den. Oh wow, this is actually really interesting. Heck is an artist, if you didn't know, and then there's just paint and things here. That is sick. Like, that's pretty cool. I love the text in like all these colors and then just pick here. Then there's your own library and candle. Like, you don't even have to do anything. That's it. Okay. So now we're going to see all this color keys. If everyone's gossiping now or whatever. I don't even think anyone would try this, but here. I don't think there's a new world. Oh, this is cool. Okay. So let's make something. Okay guys, so here's my snazzy work. And I am not done right now because Amazon keeps interrupting me for like to go to a new world. I do not want to go to a new world. Like, I just got an Amazon to draw. What the heck? This is so snazzy. It looks like an Ediform Chihuahua. Exactly what it looks like. My best artwork ever. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. This could be better. It's just on Amazon, you know. Can you guess who this is? I bet you can. Oh. I guess you can't guess. See? What the heck? What if that was true? And I tried to just... I'm not keeping this. I just want it. You know. Not my thought, it just doesn't lick it. Oh wait, doesn't she have... Oh crap. She has second drawing. Indiana was here. Well, let's just finish this off because I'm tired and I don't want to draw any more of this. If you do wish to draw, but like on a better graphic thing, draw on something called Fire Alpaca. It's really good. It's really good. I just showed it. Let's just keep finishing these. I hope it turns out good. This is taking a long time and I'm not happy. So let's draw that nice pink award. That looks horrible. Then let's draw nice gazelle horn. Okay, sorry guys that footage kind of just got cut out, I guess. So I had to redraw it, the whole thing, because Amazon kept asking me that, like, you want to join this new world? Click yes. It's gonna start in like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever, and that just keeps annoying me. So I have to click this button, like I want to click this one, and then I just click that one. I really don't know what happens, but that footage is gone, and now now I'm just doing it. So I'm just drawing Neon Cat. I'm gonna pause the video, and then I'm going to like show you me buying it. Because yes, I want it. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what I came up with, and I guess it's 40 euro. So I'm gonna create this again item. It's just perfect. I don't really want my name on it, but I guess I didn't even print it. Well, I mean, I really don't know. I guess this is the tape version. Like the Mesta version, this is the gold version, and this is the silver version. So I think the gold one looks nice, but I want the silver one. Just buy it. And pretty much, I'm just going to have my whole channel art in my den. Okay, so my masterpiece follows the Asian road and doesn't contain anything really inappropriate, copyrighted, or individual information. I will not sell my masterpiece for codes, virtual currency, or real money. Now, understand that it is true, must approve my masterpiece, and this process might take up to 2 weeks. Okay, your masterpiece. That is so cool. You know, let's try to see it. So I've been working very hard. Just kidding. Oh my gosh, that's the coolest diamond ever. Oh, you have to wait to see it. That looks nice. I like it just like that. Like, you guys don't even... I don't think anything will be bad, but I'm gonna gift it to myself. Oh, it's on my buddy's arm. So I'm just going to... I just functioned it. I am stupid. Watch this. I don't think you can gift it right at the moment. But I'll see. I have a lot of things on this account. Yeah, you have to, like... You can't work at it or anything. It's a matter of refreshing. See if this works. Okay, so this process can take up to 2 weeks. And I don't really think you can actually see it, trade it, or even gift it as soon as you make it. Because it's just doing a masterpiece thing. So that's not fun at all. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to leave a like, comment, rate, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. I was in peace, but you guys like the party, so... What should I say? I don't know, bye.